tagal-tagal mo naman. Ang init-init dito. You know, it's very hot outside. Anyway, what is this? You make too much rounding. That's why you you're, you know, too much hot outside. And I'm standing here for a long time. I don't know why. You take time for it to come here. No? Maybe you too much round. That's why you take time. Parang tanga nakakainis eh. Sobrang init dito. Ang tagal-tagal ko nakatayo dito. Tapos hanggang... You have more? So, I will not be angry anymore.
All.
Yan. Okay lang. It's fine. Even you take time. I can wait naman. You know, sometimes I need sunlight. Because, you know, I'm not going outside anymore. So, sometimes I need sun, you know? It's fine. Even you make rounding. It's okay na. It's na.
Okay. Okay now?
Oo, it's fine. I
Oh.
can wait. You
Oh.
want to round more?
No, it's
I
okay.
will wait.
You're okay now?
Okay.